How to check monitor refresh rate. First, open the Settings application on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen and selecting the Settings icon. Once the Settings window opens, click on System, then from the left side menu, select Display. Now scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings. Here you'll find detailed information about your monitor, including the current refresh rate. In the refresh rate section, you'll see your monitor's current Hertz value, such as 60 Hz, 75 Hz, 120 Hz, or another number depending on your display. If your PC only shows one refresh rate option, that's completely normal. This usually means your monitor supports only that specific refresh rate, or the current cable, graphics driver, or display settings do not support additional options. In that case, you may not be able to change it because it is fixed for your setup. That's it. Now you know how to check your monitor refresh rate in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.